Alright, you're welcome to Blockchain Plus. In this video, I will be showing you everything about trading on the Binance Exchange. So this is basically about spot trading on Binance Exchange. We understand that there are several types of trading that happens on Binance Exchange, which includes spot trading, future trading, even staking, and every other thing that happens on Binance Exchange. But this video is solely for spot trading, and I will show you everything about it. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, this is Blockchain Plus. You're welcome. Please do well to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and if you have any questions after watching this video, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I will do well to answer all of your questions, and even if it means me making a new video to answer or explain your questions, I will also try my possible best to do that. Okay, with that said, let us just dive into the video of the day so that you will understand how to use Binance for your trading. Okay, so this is Binance. When you open Binance, first of all, I'm going to show you the two interface of Binance. So this is the Binance Pro. The reason why I'm showing you these two interfaces is because lots of people make mistakes or they are confused when they go from the light to the pro version. So I'm going to show you the differences so that you understand when you are in the pro what you will be seeing, and when you are in the light version what you will be also seeing. So if I click on this button now, when I log into Binance like this and I come to this button here, this Binance logo here, and click on it. If I scroll down, come down to this place, you see Binance Lite. So let me first of all go to Binance Lite so that you understand how the Binance Lite looks like. Now you can see this is how Binance Lite looks like. You can see how it is, and you can see here Market Square. This sounds like Market Square. Okay, trades, discover, and portfolio. So basically, your portfolio, this is where your coins will be. Market, this is the market. And if I open any coin now for trading, you can see the way it is. You're just seeing buy and convert, right? So there are no much details in the light, and I personally I don't use the light version. So let me switch over to the pro version. Just same way, you come here and then you click on it, and then you come down to pro version, right? So I'm going to switch to the pro version. Now the pro version looks more better for me because I can really easily relate with it. So you can see this is home, markets, trades, futures, and what, and wallets. So this wallet, I'm going to be explaining all of these buttons real quick so that you understand what they are. So this is home. This is the home. You can see this is the home. The whole of this right now is the home, and the home is divided into two main sections. The first section is where you see the coins. If I click on view more, it's going to take me directly to market. Then the next section is where you see news, discovery, and blog posts. So all of these things are blog posts written by individuals. So this is how the home is. And now under this market section where you see the coins on the home, you can see losers, new listing, 24 hours volume, market cap. Let me go down. You can see favorites, hot, gainers, and all of that, right? So now these hot now are the ones that are trending, the ones that are making that people love to buy more, or that has more volume for buys, right? These gainers are the ones that have the highest percentage gain in the last 24 hours. These losers here are the ones that have the highest percentage loss in the last 24 hours. You can see it here, price, percentage loss in 24 hours. The new listing, you come to new listing is where you see the coins that are being listed newly on Binance. You can see this day THE just got listed on Binance today, and you can see that's why the price is like this. Now if I come to it like this, you can see where the price is coming from $4 right now, and it is tanking, but definitely it's going to go up if it's a good coin. Then this is 24 hours volume, and this is market cap. So that is what you see in this coin section. Now for this news section, it's just all about news. People want to follow hot news, announcement, discover, and all of that. You can see it. So this is it. You can see academy, live session, and all of that. So everything about here is just about news. I'm not really bothered about the news because I don't use that, right? So let's come back to the this home, this marketplace now. Now after the home, the next place you want to look at is the market. If I click on this market, it's the same thing as clicking on this view more, but let me just click on this market so that you see it. So I clicked on the market and now all the coins are being opened, right? Now, this place you can see is just favorite. You can see is the favorite coins I have. You have under the favorites, you can see there's all spot, futures, and options. So first of all, I'm going to do another video to explain all of this, the spot, futures, and option. But what I want to tell you in this video about this is that if you're new to cryptocurrency, please just focus on sports. Do not bother yourself about futures and options because that is a very high way of losing your money fast if you don't understand what you're doing there. So now with that said, this is favorite. Let me click on market so that you now see all the markets, right? When I click on market, it's showing me here. That is because these are all the coins that I have been buying and holding in just the past 1 month. Now if I leave the holdings and click on sports, of course these are airdrop coin. This one is airdrop, this one is airdrop, right? So if I click on sports here, now you can now see all the coins on sports. So like I said, focus on the sports. Do not focus on the future trading and what options, because it's a fast way to get yourself burnt, right? So under the spot, so because of that, I'm not going to explain USDM, U and coin M and all of this. I'm not going to explain all of this, but let me just open it so that you see. This is it. This is also for coin and then this is for your options, right? So I'm not going to focus on all of this. I'm just going to focus right now on the spot. So let me go back to the spot. So when you come to spot, you can see under spot you have USDT, FDUSD, USDC, TUSD, BNB, BTH, altcoins, and fiat. Now, what these things mean, these are the base currencies, right? So these are the currencies you trade against anyone that you see here. For instance, now we are on USDT. So everything you're seeing here is trading against USDT. That's why you see USDT, 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 all of these things here, they are all USDT, right? So now, if you come to UFDUSD is the same thing you're going to see just like that. So me, I focus more of my trading on USDT or USDC. You understand? So as I'm going, I just want to explain to you that this video may be a bit long, so you should have the patience and the time to watch it, especially if you're a beginner, right? So it may be a bit long. I'm just trying to prepare your mind towards that because I want to take my time to really explain everything to you so that you understand what you're doing here and what you should be looking for. So now, me for myself, I love to use the USDT or the USDC for my trade, right? So that now I am on USDT. You can see this is Bitcoin USDT. This is 1 inch, this is half, ACM, ADA, Agro, and all of that. This is just the market. Now, if I open any of this, the interface is going to take me to is where trade will take me to. So let me click on BTC. You can see the interface that BTC brought me to is asking me to buy or sell, right? So now, before I go back to show you the trade, let me just quickly explain here. You can see price, information, trading data, and square, right? So these are just where you get the information about the coins and all of that. So if you come down, here is just about order books. So these are the buy order books, these are the sell order books. So this is for people who wants to buy. The prices that they are setting is this, and this is the amount they want to buy. Now here, these are the people that want to sell. The price they are setting is this, and this is the amount they want to sell. So that is just what this place is all about, right? Now let me go back so that you will see. When I come to trades and click on trade, now it brings me directly to where I can now buy. Now if I had touched buy or sell in the previous section, it will have brought me down straight to this interface. So now this is where you buy and sell, right? So when you want to buy, all you just need to do is to put the amount I'm going to show you is to use this in this part of this place to make your buying this in sequence. So here first you see limit order, you see the price. This is the price at which Bitcoin is trading right now, the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Once you put the amount of Bitcoin, it's going to now give you the total USDT of the Bitcoin, right? Now if you look at this place, you say 9,500, 95,813, but right now it's at 95,700 something. So instead of just jumping in here, I can just touch this place and the price will change at that place. You can see the price has changed here, right? So if I touch this one down, that's if I touch any on any of the ones down, it's going to also reflect in the price. You can see it there. So let's say now I come here and I want to buy 0.05 BTC. I can say 0.05. So 0.05 BTC is giving me 4,789, right? So now all I need to now do is to press the buy button and automatically it's going to buy. But then if you see the price has changed, so that is why it's a limit order. So limit order means once I buy, it's going to wait until the price gets to that point that my price here is before it's going to buy. If the price does not get to this point, 95,799, it's not going to buy until the price falls to that place. That's when the limited order is going to trigger. Now if I touch this by here, this arrow here, you're going to see that there are other types of order here. You can see limit order, market, stop limit. So that this video will not be too long, I'm just going to explain the two conversant one real quick, which is one limit order. I've already explained that. The market order, if I click on market order now, you will notice that the price has gone up. Market order simply means instant execution. So wherever the price is, once I click buy, it's going to buy immediately. Whatever the price is, it's going to buy. It's not going to wait for me. And me, for one, I don't use this. I like to look at the price and then set the price I want to buy, and then I make my purchase. I don't just click on buy and then I buy at whatever price it is. So the same thing applies to the sell. So if you're not buying, you're selling. So I'll click on the sell right now. Once I click on sell, you can see you also have market and then you have limit order. So if I choose limit order, you can see this is it. So if I'm selling, if I'm the one selling, since I know that I want to make profit, I can just increase this to, let's say, 96,500 now, and I put the number of Bitcoin, let's say 0.00 or 0.05. So 0.05, if I click sell right now, let's say I have this amount in my wallet and I click sell right now, what is going to happen is that it's going to now place an order until the price gets to this point. It's not going to sell it for me, right? So this is all about here. Then the last thing I want to explain here so that you understand is this portion here. Here you see BTC slash USDT. So here is where you change the coins you want to buy. Let's say I don't want to buy BTC, I want to buy any other coin, let's say Ethereum. I'll just click here and I will see all the coins under USDT. These are all the coins. I'll just come to this search bar here. If I'm not seeing Ethereum here, I'll just come to this search bar and type ETH, just like this, and you can see Ethereum USDT is now here. So I'm going to touch it. So this is the price. Then I can click on buy to buy or click on sell to sell. Same way, if I want to choose another coin, I'll click here again to change this to another coin. Let's say I want to buy Cardano, which is ADA. I'll just click on it. Right now, you can now see you have ADA USDT. So this is just how you buy coins from here. But then there are questions you may want to ask. Okay, how do I get the money into this place? So I have done a video of how to buy coins from using Bybit. I've done a video of how to buy coins using Bybit, how to buy USDT using Bybit. So check that video, watch that video to understand how to buy USDT using Bybit. So when you buy USDT from Bybit, what you can now do is to transfer it here. I'm going to show you how to transfer. So let me just open futures so that you see. Mind you, I said we are not trading futures because here is how you burn your hand very fast, right? It's very, very volatile. It's a leverage trading, and your account can get margin call within the next 1 hour of trading if you don't know what you are doing. So let's leave this alone and then go to wallet. So if I come to wallet right now, you can see that you have deposit, you have withdrawal, you have buy, you have transfer. So I'm going to just talk about all of this, and then you can see you have sports, funding, and all of that, and futures and all of that. So if I want to receive, let me say USDT from my Bybit, after buying from Bybit, I want to receive it. All I need to do is to click on deposit, right? So I'll click on deposit. Then you can see USDT here. If I don't see it here, I will search for it using this search bar. So I'll click on USDT to search for USDT. Now this is USDT. So I'll open it up like this. I'll choose the chain, that is the network I want to use. So basically what I do on this network aspect, I look at the one with the minimal transaction fee. So BNB, since you are sending to BNB and this is their coin, BNB is usually the least transaction fee, and TRC20, which is which is Tron. So you can see minimum deposit is this. Now, for you to see the minimal transaction fee, you cannot see it when you are depositing. You only see it when you are withdrawing. So but then I know that BP20, which is Binance BNB Smart Chain, is usually cheap, right? So let me go back with to the wallet and click as if I want to withdraw. This one we did was deposit. I want to send to this place. Now I want to withdraw. I want to take money out of this place to, let's say, Bybit. I click on withdrawal. I click on withdraw this one. Then I click on USDT here. I click on USDT. I click on send via crypto network. Then here I'm going to choose the network. You can see your network. So once I click on it, you can now see where this is where you now see the the fee. You can see fee for BEP20 is what? 0. You can see $0. For OPBNB is still 0. For Tron, okay, Tron is $1. Polygon is 0.08, and so on and so forth. You can see Ethereum is as high as $7. So this is what you now need to know. You now need to check the transaction fees before you even make the transaction, before you choose your network that you're going to be using to receive or send, right? So let me go back to deposit. So I click on deposit right now. Remember, we've bought the coin from Bybit. Then I click on USDT. So now I know that BEP20 is $0. I'll click on it to choose that. Then I can now forward or copy this wallet address to my Bybit account and then send it from my Bybit to this place. Now when I send it here, now you will not be able to use it to trade immediately because you're not going to be seeing it in your trading platform. So what you need to do to be able to see it is to come to this transfer. Because when you send it, it's going to be in your funding. Let me go back first before I come there. You can see funding, you can see spot. So funding is where the money you want to keep usually go to. So if someone sends you money to your Binance, it goes to funding, except you change the setting, which I'm not going to talk about in this video because this video is already too long. I don't want to talk about everything in one video. This tutorial is just for you to understand the basics. If I decide to talk about everything, it will be too long, right? So it's going to be in funding. Now, from funding, you need to move it to spot. Remember, you're trading spot, so you need to move it to spot. So you move the money from funding, this is funding, to spot. And how do you do that? You come to transfer here. Let's now go back to the transfer. You can see you're moving from funding to spot. So you change this, you click here to toggle it like this. Now you choose, once you toggle it, funding is up because the money will be on your funding, of course. So you now click on this place that says coin. So you look for the coin. Remember, it's USDT, right? So you come here and search for USDT like this, and you click on it, and then you now have USDT here. So you click on the maximum USDT that you received. If you want to use, or if let's say you sent $1,000, you don't want to just start buying with the 1,000, you want to buy with 500, you just click on here to type it. So when you type it like this, you can now click on confirm transfer, and it's going to just go from your funding to your spot. So once it goes to your spot, now the next thing you need to do is to now go to trade, right? Either you go to trade or you click on spot to see if it is there. So when you click on spot, if you did everything correctly, just as I said, you're going to see your USDT balance here. You're going to see USDT here, and the balance is going to be here, right? So that is how you transfer money from other places to Binance. The reason why I said you should transfer buying from Bybit, or let's say Telegram P2P or Bybit P2P to this place is because at the moment Binance does not support Nigerian P2P. But you can use Binance for trading, you can use it for transaction, you can use it to send any cryptocurrency, but you can't use it to sell and receive your money in Naira in Nigeria. So that is now the big problem. All right, so everything I've explained to you right now is the basics of how you can use Binance to start trading, buying cryptocurrencies, investing in cryptocurrencies, and storing them, building your portfolio for yourself. Remember, the bull run is coming. And by the way, if you are not in my classroom, in my academy, you are missing a whole lot, because there are a whole lot of opportunities that people have gotten from that academy. And guess what? It's just $10 for you to join the academy for 1 year section, right? And within that 1 year, you are sure that you're going to make way more than $10, right? So there are a lot of coins that I've called for my students, that I've given them 200, 200%, 100%, 300%, just like that. And they've made way more than what they invested in that academy. So that is it about the academy, and that is it about this video. If you have any questions, if you have anything bothering you about how to trade on Binance, do well to just drop the question in the comment section, and I will try my best to answer all of your questions for you. And if you want to join my classroom, I'll also drop the link in the comment section. All you just need to do is to click on that link, visit it, and then use that link to join my classroom. All right, guys. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.